How are we going to pay these bills?
You're the man of the house. Figure it out. I'm watching TV.
You gonna regret saying that.
Whatever. I can't hear the TV. Simp. Why are you packing this time of morning and I wasn't invited?
I'm going to pay some bills. I don't have anyone to help, remember?
Why it rain on me? Why it rain on my life? Gotta take care of my needs, George Floyd.
All this we've been through, you gonna do me and my house like this?
Yep. You and your little spot. Trash. I'm done with this relationship.
In the land of the free, in the land of the free, in the land of the free, who gon' pay these dues for me? In the land of the free, in the land of the free, in the land of the free, who gon' pay these dues for me?